From the SharePrices.com.au studios, I'm CJ Dore with some more stock market education. And this time we're looking at our introduction to candlesticks, looking at the hammer and the inverted hammer. So let's have a look at the hammer straight away. Very medieval looking, isn't it? And it's a green hammer, which means green is go, green is good. It represents upward share price movement or upward market movement. Key feature, very small body, that's the green part, and a long wick, and one wick only, nothing above the body, just one to the south of the body. And here's the red candlestick. So same again, very small body and one long wick to the bottom of the body. Now every candlestick is always a representation of a designated time period. And on this occasion, it's going to be a one-day candlestick, meaning this candlestick represents 1 day's worth of share price movement from market open to market close. Now let's have a look and see how it travels throughout the day. Now a green candlestick always opens at the bottom of the body, and then what we do is we test the bottom right down there at the bottom of that wick. Now that's the lowest price for the day. Now what we do know, the good news is a green candlestick will always close where? Above where it opened, right? Of course it does, it's a green candlestick. The small body, look at that, represents a very close opening and closing price after it fell down and reached the bottom. Let's have a look at the red candlestick again. Very small body, long wick, just one to the south. And the time period is going to be a one-day candlestick. So again, representing 1 day's worth of share price movement from market open through to market close. And the opening price, as always on a red candlestick, is at the top of the body. Then it starts to move around and it hits the lowest price of the day, and that's right down at the bottom of that wick. Just one wick, remember, on the hammer, and that's always to the bottom of the body. But the good news is it does come back and it closes, but it closes below where it opened, right? Of course it does. Well, it's a red candlestick, so it's a downward moving day. So not all bad. The closing price was close to the open. However, overall, it's a red, so it's a downward moving day. Side by side, the red and the green, key features, small body, close to where it opened and closed, and a long wick and just one wick to the south of the body. There's the inverted hammer. We virtually flipped them. Again, the green and the red, small bodies, long wick, one wick, but this time above the body. And here's the green, and the time period it represents is 1 day's worth of share price movement from market open to market close. Now, how are we going to travel here? We open at the bottom of the body, and then we go way up and test the highest price. So that's the top of the wick, but it does fall back a little. Good news is it's still above where it opened, which is why it's an upward or green moving day. Very close to where it opened and closed, so that is the small body. What about the red? Similar, small body, one wick, only to the north of the body, and way up, it's a long wick. Let's have a look at where we opened. A red candlestick will always open at the top of the body. However, we did shoot up and test the highest price of the day, which was above where it opened. But what we know about the red is it's going to close below where it opened, right? Of course, there it is. It's closed very close, however, to where it opened, and that is the representation of the small body. Let's have a look side by side. This time the inverted hammer, the green and the red. Green is good, red not so good. Small body, close opening and closing price, and one long wick and to the north. Let's have a look now at a one-day chart. So this means every single one of these candlesticks on this SharePrices.com.au chart represents 1 day's worth of share price movement, whether it's green or red. Now, can you spot a hammer, green or red, or an inverted hammer, green or red, anywhere along here? What we want you to do is go to SharePrices.com.au now. Pick your favorite stock or one you're watching, maybe in your portfolio, and see if you can find a hammer, green or red, or an inverted hammer, green or red, so you can identify it by name, so you can become more familiar with how to interpret share price movement looking for the hammers. From the SharePrices.com.au studios, I'm CJ Dore with some more stock market education. Hope you enjoyed that. Happy trading. Good luck with finding the hammers and the inverted hammers. And I'll talk to you again soon.